Hey everybody, my name is Brian, Chef BT on Instagram, and this is my first cooking instructional video. Today we're going to be making something easy, tasty, and delicious, just the way I like it, chicken and shrimp larb. Now this dish is super easy to prepare, as long as you're prepared. So here are the ingredients. It's time to cook. Heat your skillet over medium-high heat, add a little bit of canola oil, and add sesame oil, and wait till it gets a little smoking hot. Once your larb is cooked through, let it cool down a little bit, then transfer it to a serving bowl. Pour all that tasty juice on top and let it absorb all that exotic flavor. So I'm going to show you an amazing trick to remove your lettuce for perfect lettuce wraps. So this is super easy. All you do is submerge your lettuce into water and watch those leaves peel right off. Now we're ready to eat. And the final beauty of this dish is how easy it is to serve. So just put your chicken larb, your lettuce, cilantro, limes, crispy shallots on a platter, and let everybody serve themselves. Enjoy.